This is how to delete hidden apps on your iPad to free up lots of storage. This isn't going to work for everybody, but if it does work for you, you're going to get some major space back on your iPad. First, you got to find the hidden apps. To do that, scroll all the way to the right till you get to the app library, which is basically a categorization of all the apps on your iPad. At the bottom, you'll see one called Hidden. Tap on that. It's going to require Face ID to unlock, and now we see the hidden apps. You might not have any in here, or you might have tons in here. Just depends on what's been going on with your iPad. These apps are all taking up storage space on your device. You can delete them from here. Just tap and hold, press delete, and then they'll be removed from your iPad. But if you want to use them, but you just forgot they were there because they're hidden, you can't see them in your main list of apps, and you want them back to the main list of apps, tap and hold, and then choose Don't Require Face ID. Requires your Face ID to allow that. And then they're going to be taken back to your main app list, and you can use them as normal. And so potentially you can free up a lot of space by deleting apps in this hidden folder because you're not using them anyway. They're hidden from the device, so you're not using them at all. So delete them if you can. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right over here, which shows you all the settings to turn off to stop your iPad from tracking your location, tracking what you're doing, tracking your conversations. Check out that video because it's important. I'll see you there.